For today's art project, let's make a gnome or fairy house. I'm going to need some clay, parchment paper, a popsicle stick, toothpick, scissors, a Crayola marker, pencil, and your 2 templates. First, we're going to get our parchment paper and we're going to flatten this clay out into a long strip. We want to flatten it out about the thickness of our pinky. I'm going to punch the clay down first. Now I just have to measure my template over the clay. That looks good. So what I'm going to do now is, with my toothpick, I'm going to press into the clay until I touch paper. And then I'm going to drag the toothpick along the clay to cut out the excess clay. I'm just going to put that off to the side and leave it there for now. Okay. And again, we're going to press the clay together and we're going to punch it down and roll it out until we have enough clay to cover the whole template. Here we go. We put our template on and cut around. Now let's make the walls of the house or the little gnome home. We're going to grab our slab here and we're going to curve it in on itself. Then we want to attach these 2 sides together. You want to glue them together and make it seamless there. And there's a few ways we can do that. Today we're going to scratch attach. In order to scratch attach, we need to score the sides with our toothpick. We're going to scratch or score into the one side here and do the same on the other side. And because it's all uneven and rough, once we press them together like this and smooth it over, they will stay stuck. Work very carefully, very gently, and start smoothing that together. Then you're going to grab your popsicle stick and you're going to smooth the inside of that seam. Next, we're going to make the roof, and you need this section here. Go ahead and pinch, pinch, pinch the seams together and smooth it out. Again, we're going to get our paddle pop stick and we're going to smooth the inside of the seam so it looks like all one piece. Once I've scratched the roof, I can now scratch the house here and press the 2 together. Carefully pick up your house and turn it over. Then again with your paddle pop stick, go around and inside where you see that the roof is attached to the walls, you want to smooth it out. And then I'm also going to press inside here. If I do that very gently, I'll be able to close up that seam. I'm going to carefully work my way around and smooth that over. I'm going to carve out a door. I think I'll put a window right here.